Hello people, you're welcome to day 2 of our series in January 2021, and this series is on goal setting. Though somewhere inside my head I prefer goal getting to goal setting because it is possible for you to set goals and not get it. But I'm not going to be talking about just how to set goals. We're going to take a lot of things into consideration and make sure that the goals you set are goals you can get, and then show you even how to get it this month. Yesterday I defined goal setting basically and told you of the foundational principles you need to work to be able to set effective goals. Today, I did mention yesterday that I would be taking a goal setting crash course. It's basically 3 points, straightforward. I'm sure it can be done in 1 minute, but you know me now, I'll drag it a bit. So let's start with a definition of terms. Dreams. Now, dreams are the things you see in the future you desire. Now, dreaming is not tied in time. Dreaming is you fantasizing. We did it a lot as kids. I don't know if you still do it now, but dreams are basically things you desire, things you picture in the future you want to see. Unfortunately, they're a bit different from goals. Goals are specific. They are the results you desire to see. Now, you can dream and dream as far as the kind of flowers you want to plant in your garden, but goals are quite specific. The things you want to achieve, the results you desire to see. But more than that, there's a third bit, which is what makes goal setting worth it, and that is the development of a plan. A plan is a detailed explanation to yourself of how you intend to achieve your goals. A plan not only will have timing as to the different elements that make up your goal, it will also have details of the kind of resources you require to achieve your goal. So having defined these terms, I believe you can follow me if I say dream or dream big, or when I talk about your goals, or I talk about your plan to achieve your goals, which would have to do with timing and resources. Now, the goal setting crash course asks you 2 questions and then tells you to do something. Of course, there's always the doing part. The first question is, what do you desire? I remember a Sonny Ade song, I'm not going to sing it, about what you desire, you know. But the question is, what do you desire? What is this thing you want to achieve? What do you want? I ask this every month. It is important that you gain clarity about what you want. I know that the person behind the camera does not like that question because, you know, for some reason, but you need to be very clear about what you want. Now, the second question is, to get what you want, what has to change? It is extremely important that you marry your present to your future by understanding what needs to change in your today for it to become the tomorrow you want. I hope you are following. Okay, the way you are today is obviously not the way you want to be. What is going to change to fill the gap between who you are today and who you want to be? What is going to change to fill the gap between what you have today and what you want to have tomorrow? What needs to change? Now, when you determine what needs to change, the third point, which is an instruction, is just do it. Nike. So, take action. When you know what needs to change, then you can develop a plan with time and make it happen. But there's no point setting goals if you're not going to do anything about it. So if you're not going to do anything about your goals this year, just stop watching from this particular episode, because every step from here, we're going to be talking about how to make your goals realizable, or rather how to realize your goals. So this is why I call it a day, because I don't want to overload you. But 1, what do you want? 2, what has to change? 3, do something. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Cheers.